From past 4 to 5 videos, during peak time more than 90% of viewers are not subscribed. If you watch the video, like the content, then do a small favor by subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free and motivates me to make more content. Also, don't forget to click on bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Previously we have seen center counter defense against king's pawn opening, also known as Scandinavian defense. Mostly in Blitz game, this type of defense is played to quickly undermine the center at a cost of giving up a single pawn or by taking queen out early in game. In this video, I am going to show you some variations which will give you a basic idea to reciprocate against this Scandinavian defense. The main line of Scandinavian is e4, d5, e cross d5. After this, black can passively bring out the knight on f6 or capture the pawn with queen. Then knight to c3 and queen settle on a5 or back to origin. So today we will see how to respond against all these common variations. First, let's see classical queen a5 move. Here black wants to control the diagonal along queen side and later planning for long castle. You can continue with knight f3, two knights variation. Then bishop g4 pinning knight, h3. If bishop moves on f5 or h5, then g4 is coming. So usually black will capture the knight. Queen cross f3, capturing the bishop and also aiming on b7. So knight c6 and bishop b5 pinning knight. In this position, if black ignores the threat and brings the queen on b6 to support the knight, then knight to d5 attack on queen. Here if queen captures the bishop, then knight c7 will fork the king, queen and rook. Therefore queen moves on a5. Then on very next move, pawn b4 will trap the queen. Back to move number 8. When knight to d5 is played, queen can also escape by playing c5. Here the queen is safe, but black will lose more material. The variation continues with knight cross c7 check, king d8, d4 attack on queen, knight captures, queen cross b7, knight cross b5, queen takes the rook with check, king captures the knight, queen cross f8. Clearly, white have a material advantage and also have clear space for castle. Moreover, in any situation, if your opponent take out the queen early in game, then just continuously attack the queen, after covering the center with minimum 2 minor pieces. And by this, you can rapidly develop, as well as in some transpositions, you can also trap the queen. Second possibility is black moves the queen back to origin. In previous video, we have seen that black first saves the queen and then go for solid defense. This will make double movement of queen, and on alternative turns, white will get advanced development. So here we can develop the other pieces like d4, knight c6, knight f3, bishop g4. Clearly, white have a lead in development, while black is still struggling to develop the kingside minor pieces. Just take a look on board. This is interesting position with small trap. Pause the video and try to think best move for white. The move is d5. After this, keeping knight on a5 or b4 will trap the knight by pawn push, so knight has to go back. Or if black falls for the trap and plays knight to e5 to double attack the knight on f3, then just capture the knight. And as bishop captures the queen, then play bishop b5 check. Here only best move left for black is give up the queen. Then knight cross f7 forking king and rook, king cross d7, king cross d1, king e8, knight cross h8. By this, white can have a nice material advantage. Back to move 8, black can prolong the situation by pawn exchange, but the threat is still there. Or if black wants to make an escape way for king, then also c7 discord check by bishop, king moves, c cross d8 with promoting pawn by queen, rook cross d8, knight cross d1. Here also white has a nice material advantage for the endgame. Another possible variation in Scandinavian defense is knight f6 move. This is very passive response from black. In this variation, you should focus on development rather than keeping hang on d5 pawn. You can continue the variation with knight c3, knight cross d5, bishop c4, knight cross c3, queen f3 with threat on f7 square, e6, queen cross c3 taking knight back. As you can see, white have a lead in development. So this was all about how white can reciprocate against Scandinavian defense. Hope you like that. Before leaving, here is a small puzzle for you. It's white to move and mate. Try to answer this in comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.